Then I start pitching up. Keep the aeroplane balance. And then he will stall. Oh, see?
Wow.
That's a stall in the pits. Okay?
Wow.
How do you feel? You feel okay?
Yes.
So, okay? When we are approaching, almost there. Now, full back, full left.
Full left.
1, 2. Forward and right. Oops, I put forward too early. Do you see? Full power and go. Okay. How do you feel? You feel okay?
Yeah.
I will show you again.
Okay.
You can, huh? You manage, huh?
Right.
You are okay, yeah?
Yeah. One more spin.
Last one, okay?
Alright.
So we slow down. Very good. Now we slow down. And down. Okay, so right pedal.
Right.
Then forward. That's much better.